Sentiment analysis using R. Sentiment analysis is a process of identifying and categorizing opinions expressed in text that have different attitudes. Attitude may be positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis can find out the nature of opinion that is reflected in any text. The aim of this assignment is to build a sentiment analysis model to categorize words based on their sentiments, either positive or negative, and the magnitude of it. The data set used for this assignment is Jane Austen R that comprises of sentiments. The data set of Jane Austen books. The sample data set which has words and their corresponding sentiments. For example, egg is a negative sentiment word. Achievable is the positive sentiment word. There are 3 lexicon models available to calculate the magnitude of sentiments. They are Affine lexicon model, Bing lexicon model, and Lagrange lexicon model. I am going to use Bing lexicon model for this assignment. This model classifies the sentiment into a binary category of negative or positive to extract the sentiments out of the data. Sentiments are retrieved using getSentiments function. This table shows the word abnormal is negative sentiment word. Next, the libraries Jane Austen R, string R, and tidy text are imported. Tidy text will perform text analysis of the data. The function unNext tokens will convert the text from the data set into tidy format. Each row contains a single word. So this is a coding part. The Bing lexicon and filter functions are used over the words that correspond to positive sentiment and negative sentiment. This slide shows the positive words with their magnitudes. For example, the word well has a magnitude 401. The word good has a magnitude 359. Next, the spread function is used to segregate the data into separate columns of positive and negative sentiment. The mutate function is used to calculate the total sentiment value, which is equal to positive sentiment minus negative sentiment. This is the coding part. This chart shows the magnitude of positive and negative words plotted using ggplot function. Next, the chart shows the number of times each word appeared in the book. For example, the word well appeared 1500 times. The chart is plotted using ggplot functions. In this assignment, using R, sentiment analysis project was carried out. The data set of Jane Austen's books was used for the assignment. Bing lexicon model was used in this project for data analysis. Analyzed data were visually represented using charts.